Hello, this is Adam Wanter, Midpoint Library's Digital and Special Collections Archivist. For today's video, we'll be looking at the HeritageQuest online database, covering what it is on it, and how to use it. HeritageQuest, what is it? HeritageQuest is a library-provided genealogy database powered by Ancestry.com that you can access from home for free. It provides access to census collections, city directory collections, book collections, and other various historical and genealogical records. HeritageQuest serves as a light version of Ancestry.com. For comparison's sake, HeritageQuest says it offers access to 4.4 billion records, while Ancestry.com offers access to 200 billion images and 8,000 unique databases. Outside of what is available through each database, the main difference is that you can access HeritageQuest for free from home, while to access Ancestry.com, you would need to come into the library or pay for a subscription yourself. HeritageQuest serves as a good place to start your genealogical journey, and when you're ready for more, you can access the Ancestry.com Library Edition at any Midpoint Library branch. Now that we know what HeritageQuest is, let me show you how to access it. First, head to midpointlibrary.org. Once on the site, hover over e-resources and then select Research Databases. From here, scroll down and select Genealogy and Local History. Now, scroll down again and finally select HeritageQuest Online. If you're accessing database from home, you'll actually see this screen pop up first. All you need to do is enter your library card number, which authenticates your access, and you will be directed to the HeritageQuest database. If you're accessing the database while at the library, it will automatically authenticate you like it did for me. It is also important to know that you can use the link to use the link from the library's website, as it is what provides you with an authenticated web portal. The homepage for the HeritageQuest database looks like this. From here you can access various searches for the collections, such as census records, books HeritageQuest has digitized, Revolutionary War records, Canadian census records, city directories, plus all of these. Each of these links takes you to a page that allows you to search that collection. From a search page, you simply fill in all the boxes with as much information as you have about a person. The more information you know, the more precise your search results will be. And once you've filled in the information, simply click Search. From the results page, or on the search page themselves, you can narrow down and filter the searches. For example, I'm going to make searches for Wanter, my last name, to be exact, which will exclude variation spellings or interpretations such as winter. As you can see on here, I'm getting searches results for winter, which is not what I'm looking for. Click Apply, and it'll redo the search. Now, these search results are a bit more accurate, but not completely. For instance, I know that this result right here is not what I'm looking for, but the second, third, and fourth ones are. From here, I can now that I select an image or select an item, I can see more information about the person in the record itself. And then from here, I can select the image and look at the digitized version of the record. This is the 1940 census. You can zoom in and see the actual record itself. And that's how you access and use HeritageQuest in a nutshell. But before I go, I want to show you a trick that will allow you to search across all of HeritageQuest collections in one go. From anywhere on the site, look for the search in the top left and select it. From here, go to the URL and modify it by removing \HQA from the string, then press enter. This should direct you to a new search page that will allow you to search all of the collections available on HeritageQuest at once. Now you can see that my search results include items from city directories, death and burial records, cemetery obituaries, as well as the census records, whereas before it just showed the census records. Yet again, yeah. Well, that is all I have for today, so thank you for watching. If you have any questions about HeritageQuest or genealogy research, please reach out to us at the Midpoint Library. We are here to help. Have a good day. We are here to help. Have a good day.